Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Smith in the Outdoors, and today you guys are going to be watching me going ice fishing. I went ice fishing over the weekend, and I didn't bring my camera out because it was super cold out and raining. I didn't want to get it all soaked, but I had the GoPro out. We caught a bunch of nice fish, caught a bunch of nice crappie. That's what you guys are going to be seeing today. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, there you have it. Me crappie fishing. And tomorrow I'm going to be going rabbit hunting and squirrel hunting because they end in 2 days as of I'm posting this. So that means I'll go out Tuesday and Wednesday and then it'll be over. So hopefully we can get 2 videos up there for you guys. So stay tuned for those videos and thank you for watching.